today I will introduce the desert sightseeing vehicle developed by our company. The shape of the desert vehicle is carefully created by the designer, with a strong mechanical matte texture. The body is handmade. Considering the high wind and sand in the desert area, the heat dissipation holes on the vehicle body have been carefully considered. Not only are the air holes hidden and the internal filter have been added. Chassis adopts German 640 horsepower engine. American Allison transmission, optional automatic. Mercedes-Benz with the same airbag shock absorption suspension. The axle adopts Benton all-wheel drive axle. The total carrying capacity is 28 tons. 28L26 desert-specific tires make the vehicle look incredibly tall and actually eye-catching. The body will also be equipped with Swiss FM dual-channel scenario. The top of the driver's area is fitted with a Korean Samsung monitor. Mercedes-Benz same waterproof premier shock-absorbing seats. Considering the rough road surface in the desert area, it is recommended to keep the speed under 60 km/h. Meanwhile, we are also equipped with removable anti-rollover blanket that not only can it be used to protect the safety of passengers, it can also be used as a tarpaulin holder. The current market price of the car is 3.90 yuan. After the prototype is completed, we will also consider an economical and practical model. Body color can also be customized according to customer demand. If you need to inquire about this model, please follow us.